So this is how you can hide your caller ID or the number that shows on your phone whenever you're calling. It's actually quite simple. We're going to want to go to settings and then simply scroll down until we find phone. Once you're in the phone section, you're going to want to look for your share name and photo. Make sure that this is off so that it won't share your name or your photo. But if you want to share that, you can do so as well. But the main thing is your caller ID. As you can see, it says here show my caller ID. You can tap on this to turn this off. Your caller ID is basically your number that shows whenever you're calling someone. So simply tap on show my caller ID and then turn that switch off. After you do that, your number will no longer show whenever you call someone. I'm pretty sure it's going to say unknown caller ID or something else, but it won't show your number. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.